Important matter for Jharkhand High Court exam. 3, 2, 1, start. The petitioner being an applicant for selection and appointment as a constable in the police department of Hazirabad has filed this writ application with a prayer for causing memo number 775 Ra Ka dated 22/2/2013 annexed as Annexure 7 to the writ application issued by the Superintendent of Police Hazirabad on the ground that this is ultra vires to the constitutional scheme of equality and fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 14, 15 and 16 of the Constitution of India and also right to life under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Para. The facts of the case at present are not disputed. The petitioner is a member of extremely backward class EBC of Jharkhand and a permanent resident of village Kharua Khurd, PO, Ranka, Bolia, PS and district Garhwa. He completed his secondary education in the year 2001 and higher education in the year 2004 from J.K. Nagar High School, Raniganj, West Bengal, and he secured second division in the said examinations. Para. An advertisement was issued in daily newspaper on 25/3/2010 inviting applications for appointment of constables against 6796 vacant sanctioned posts in the district of Ranchi, Hazaribagh, Dhanbad, Bokaro, Palamau, Garhwa, Lethar, Kodarma and all other districts of the state of Jharkhand. The petitioner participated in the examination and as per the result published on 3/6/2012 in the said daily newspaper, the petitioner bearing roll number 15391 was placed at serial number 18 in the group of non-home guards extremely backward class EBC. The respondent number 4, Superintendent of Police Hazaribagh, wide memo number 3502/Ra Ka dated 9/6/2012 within bracket Annexure 5 to the writ application in the light of memo number 368/Ba dated 31/5/2012 of respondent number 3 called the petitioner with all the original documents regarding educational, caste, residential, birth certificates, etc. along with 4 copies of passport size photos for verification in his office on 25/6/2012, but he was not given appointment and therefore the petitioner made representation before respondent number 4 and in response to his representation respondent number 4 on 22/2/2013 informed that the eligibility of the petitioner has been cancelled on the ground of his passing such examination from the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education and West Bengal Council of Higher Education. Thereafter, the petitioner made several attempts to convince the authorities to act upon the eligibility to give him appointment, but as he was not given the appointment, he filed the present writ application. Para. The matter was originally placed before the learned single judge, and the learned single judge, by the order passed on 6/1/2017, referred the matter to the division bench, and after obtaining consent from the then acting Chief Justice, the matter was placed before the division bench. Para. The central question that arises in this case is regarding the restriction provided in the Jharkhand State Police Recruitment Rules 2014. It provides that the candidates should have passed 10th from educational institutions of the state of Jharkhand. Such clause was taken into consideration while refusing appointment to the petitioner. Para. In course of hearing, Learned Counsel for the state raised two objections. The preliminary being the maintainability of the writ application in view of the fact that the petitioner has appeared in the examination and after being declared unsuccessful has challenged the conditions therein. We are of the opinion that the petitioner was not unsuccessful in the examination, rather his application was accepted by the authorities and the selection authority conducted examination wherein the petitioner was allowed to compete with other candidates and was declared successful. The cause of action arose when his credentials certificates were verified by respondent number 4 and they found that he has passed out from the schools and inter-college from the state of West Bengal, which is violative of clause 2 as referred to above. Thus, we are of the opinion that it is not the case of the respondents that the petitioner actually failed in the examination or the selection process, rather he was declared successful, but on the ground that he has obtained his matriculation and inter-college from West Bengal, he was not given the appointment. Stop.